If Blender is giving you error 5, access denied, don't worry. This is usually a Windows permissions issue, and in this video I'll show you the quickest fixes step by step. We'll cover how to run Blender as administrator, check folder permissions, move Blender to a writable location, and clear out temporary files that may be causing the problem. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and troubleshooting guides. Let's get into it. First, let's understand what this error means. Error 5 usually means Windows is blocking Blender from accessing a file, folder, or system location it needs. In most cases, the problem is not Blender itself, but the way Windows security, antivirus software, or restricted folder permissions are set up on your PC. A very common cause is installing Blender in a protected location like program files, where Windows may limit write access. Another common issue is antivirus software flagging Blender or one of its temporary files and stopping it from running properly. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix this in just a few minutes. The first thing to try is running Blender as an administrator. To do that, right-click the Blender shortcut or the Blender application file, then choose Run as Administrator. If the issue goes away, that tells you Blender needed elevated permissions to access the folder or file it was trying to use. If you want to make that permanent, you can right-click Blender, go to Properties, then the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Next, if Blender still shows error 5, check the file and folder permissions. Go to the folder where Blender is installed, right-click it, and choose Properties. Open the Security tab, then select your user account or the users group. Click Edit if available and make sure full control is enabled. If it's not, allow the permission changes, then click Apply and OK. This step is important because if Windows doesn't let Blender write to its own folder, you may keep seeing access denied errors every time it tries to save settings, settings, or create temporary files. Another very effective fix is to move Blender out of a restricted folder. If you installed Blender inside program files, try moving it to a more writable location such as your desktop, Downloads folder, or a custom folder like C:\Blender. This often solves the problem immediately because Blender no longer has to work inside a protected Windows directory. After moving it, launch Blender again and see if the error is gone. If you still get the same issue, temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and test Blender again. Sometimes security software blocks Blender from reading or writing files, especially after an update or reinstall. If Blender works after disabling antivirus, then you know that security tool is the cause. In that case, you may need to add Blender as an exception or allow list item instead of leaving protection off permanently. While you're troubleshooting, it also helps to clear temporary files. Press Windows key +R, type %temp%, and press Enter. This opens your temp folder. You can delete the files and folders you see there that Windows allows you to remove. Don't worry if some files are in use and cannot be deleted. Just skip those. Clearing temp files can remove corrupted leftovers that stop Blender from starting correctly. If none of those steps fix the issue, you may need to reinstall Blender. Before doing that, uninstall the current version, download a fresh copy from the official Blender website, and reinstall it into a writable folder. This can help if the installation is corrupted or if important files were damaged. A clean reinstall often resolves stubborn error 5 problems that keep coming back. Remember, Blender error 5 is usually a Windows access denied problem, not a Blender specific bug. That means the fix is almost always related to permissions, folder access, or security software. In most cases, simply running Blender as administrator or moving it to a writable folder is enough to solve it. If this video helped you fix Blender error 5, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and let me know in the comments which step worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.